Are you thinking about stepping into the insurance industry? Well, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should absolutely consider a career selling life insurance or Medicare insurance, even annuities for that matter. We're going to go into the 5 main reasons that you should look at the insurance industry as a career and maybe get out of the job that you're in right now. The first point that I want to share with you is flexibility. No other, career choice will give you the opportunity to have the flexibility that you can experience as a life insurance or Medicare insurance agent. You have tremendous flexibility. You can control your time. You're in control of your success. You can choose to be the best, and you can choose also to be there for your family, for even your children when they need you the most. It's insanely freeing when you've got the flexibility to not be under somebody's thumb. When you work for the man and you aren't the man, right? You know what I'm saying? When you're W-2, you're stuck at that desk. You're like chained down to that desk. You can't leave before 5 without getting written up, right? You can't ask, for a vacation next week and go just leave. No, they won't honor it. So a traditional job, a W-2, you're not going to experience the flexibility that you will find when you're in the insurance career, as your path. It's extremely flexible. If you want to take off a couple hours to go be there at your kids' soccer games, volleyball games, whatever their sports are, you can go be present with them. That's a huge gift that you will be able to provide your family, or maybe you want to be flexible to the point where you're like, you know what, I'm going to go hunting, I'm going to go fishing, I'm going to go hang out with the girls for a 5-day weekend. You can actually go do those things without having to beg, and ask for permission from your employer. So as a life insurance agent, the first point that I want to share with you, one of the huge benefits to doing this is it gives you tremendous flexibility, whether you're face-to-face, but more importantly, in the telespace. I've got amazing agents that partner together with me. I run a national agency. I train, I coach, and I recruit agents all across the nation. JasonFinalExpense.com. If I can serve you, reach out. But let me tell you, I've got agents that are on the other side of the nation, and they can work anywhere they choose to. All they need is a phone in the telespace. You can work out of a tent. It doesn't even matter. You can make the same revenue. So you're not locked down. You're not chained down by geography if you're in the telesale space. But if you're a face-to-face insurance agent, you've got the same flexibility, but you are locked down a little bit to where your boots are on the ground, so to speak. You can't just like pop smoke unless you got a bunch of leads on the other side to meet you there, So understand, telesales will even give you more flexibility than the face-to-face insurance space will, but there's nothing wrong with either direction. I've got lots of agents in my national agency that do both, and they're both like very happy with the flexibility that it will provide you as a agent, So the first point, tremendous flexibility. You're not locked down. You don't have to beg for time off. You don't have to, worry about missing all your kids' games. You will be in control of your clock, You run the clock yourself, not somebody else pushing you down or controlling you. That's why your W-2 mindset is not a mindset of people that really slay it in the, career that they really like. So I want to make sure that you understand that, as you move forward. So the next tip I want to help share with you is financial freedom. Flexibility is amazing, point number 1, as a life insurance agent, but financial freedom is powerful. The fact that you can be in a place of financial independence selling insurance is phenomenal. You can do explosive things as a life insurance agent or even a Medicare insurance agent that will just make a W-2, person's head spin. They can't even fathom it because they don't have that entrepreneurial spirit about them. They don't understand that the life insurance space is all about, and the Medicare insurance space is all about, those that do are those that get. It's a freeing space to be in a great career choice, but it's all about your performance. The better you perform, the better you get paid. When you're working for an employer, a W-2 job, the better you work, the better you perform, the better somebody else gets paid. Your paycheck stays the same typically, your salary, and you're working your knuckles to the bone. This is an insurance space where you can have true financial freedom. The more you perform, the more you as an agent gets paid because you are better at providing value for your clients. So point number 1, tremendous flexibility in how you can operate your own schedule because you're in control of it. You're in control of it. Power. Financial freedom, point number 2. Tremendous financial freedom, the ability to truly benefit from your own hard work. The better you perform, the better you get paid. And there's lots, okay, of 6-figure and 7-figure agents in the insurance industry because they work hard and they get to benefit from their hard work. When you're W-2ing, that doesn't always pass down to you, let's just put it that way. Point number 3 is it's a tremendous industry to be in to take care of people. If you're one that gets satisfaction out of helping others, the insurance industry is for you. When you can serve other people, not sell them, if you can serve them, help your clients get what they want, you're going to protect families, you're going to protect legacies that will survive beyond the natural life of your clients that you're serving. It's satisfying like nothing else. It's tremendous what you get to do. It's a privilege to protect others and to guard them. You are their advocate, and it's amazing. You get so much satisfaction, even at the point of claim when one of your sweet clients passes away. It's sad, but yet it's tremendously satisfying because what you do matters. It does matter. When you bring a check for thousands of dollars to your client's hands or hundreds of thousands of dollars into your beneficiary's hands, okay, it's phenomenal. If you write annuities like what I do as well, and a sweet person passes away, and now you're bringing a $500,000 check, okay, to the other loving spouse, and you guard them in a way that no one else did. You're giving them that kind of attention and customer service that they deserve, that you promised them because you're just going to take care of them because they matter. When you protect others, you will become more profitable as a result. It's satisfying because you're giving these sweet prospects everything they want. You're fixing their problems with your product, and it's amazing. So if you want good job satisfaction, let me tell you, there's nothing more satisfying than being an insurance agent, okay? Point number 4 that I want to share with you about why you should consider being a life insurance agent or a Medicare insurance agent, let me tell you, huge earning potential, massive earnings that you can get if you're a performer, okay? When you do the work, you can get the wealth. I'm telling you, more 7-figure people exist, more 6-figure people, okay, exist in the insurance space than any W-2 on the planet. That's where the wealth is. It's massive. Huge earning potential. You're not capped. So many places will cap you at a certain level. When you're a insurance agent, when this is your career, you have no cap. There is no glass ceiling. Just stand up. Do more, get more. Work harder, get more wealth. Perform better, get more profits. It's how it works. The better that you are, the better you will be. Those that do are those that get. There is huge earning potential. Even when you sell Medicare, you just keep scaling and scaling. You get $100,000 of renewable income selling Medicare insurance, and the next year you build another $100K. Now you got $200K of earnings. You do it another third year, you got $300K, and you're not really working all that hard. You're stacking your income. If you're a life insurance agent, you're going to keep getting better and better and better. So your income will build and build and build and build, and you should be the only one that controls that. So if you're looking at joining an agency, be careful. Make sure that you're not in a place that's LOA. Make sure you're direct to carrier where they actually pay you. Make sure that the company that's you're shackling up with isn't controlling your business. Be careful. And there's a lot of places that are captive and even some independent places that don't pay you direct from carrier. You don't own and control your block of business. Make sure you own and control your block of business so that you're not making someone else wealthy, okay? It's very important that you know that. All the agents that partner with me, they own and control their full block of business, not me, okay? They're paid direct from carrier. They're not LOA. They're in control of their hard work, and that's valuable. A little tip for you. So I hope that's helping you as well. But huge earning potential is point number 4. Nobody is holding you back. You can explode. You have uncapped earning potentials, okay? There's not many industries that give you an uncapped ability to keep growing and growing and growing and serving great people. So that's my point number 4. Point number 5 is that you have 11,000 people turning age 65 every single day. Let me repeat that. 11,000 people are turning age 65 every single day and will do so for the next decade, the next 10 years. That is an untapped market. An untapped market. Are you kidding me? So your pool of people that you can sell to is just like getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, not retracting. It's exploding. So this is an explosive space to be a career insurance agent. It doesn't matter what you choose to sell. You can choose to sell, okay, Medicare insurance, mortgage protection, Medicare insurance, final expense coverage. We do it all. But let me tell you, it is an untapped market. This well is not going to go dry. Understand that you're in a recession-proof industry. Recession-proof. This industry of final expense. These sweet people get paid on the 1st and the 3rd of the month. They get paid like clockwork on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th Wednesday of the month. The Social Security checks are getting dropped in every single month. So their money is like on a conveyor belt. It doesn't ever stop. They're not economy driven. They're always going to get money from good old Uncle Sam and from their pensions because they've earned it. This is an underserved people group. They need you. 11,000 people are going to be turning 65 daily. Untapped market, more people and more people and more people and more people every single day. You can work your own state, and let me tell you, you're never going to run out of people to see. A lot of the insurance agents that exist even today are older, okay? They're older agents, great people, great agents, but they're in their 60s and 70s. They're losing their steam, okay? They're kind of putting the old locomotive, okay, into the retirement shed. They're not working like they did in their younger years. So there's going to be less and less insurance agents out there serving this just avalanche of sweet people that need you. So it's going to create a lot of opportunity for you if you choose to become a career life insurance or Medicare insurance agent. It's explosive. What you can accomplish in this industry is massive. It's given me so much. I've done life insurance. I've even done telesales, a combined over 2 decades, over 20 years. And the renewable income that it will give you, it's a snowball. It seems insignificant at first, just like a little flake of snow, but it's going to all look white and pretty, and then it's going to start getting deep and deep and deeper and deeper and deeper, and you're going to wake up in the morning and be like, oh, an $800 renewal. Wow, a $600 renewal. Where'd that come from? And you're just going to build and build and scale as you serve and serve and serve. Those that do are those that get, but let me share with you the flexibility that this industry will give you to be present for your family is a huge gift. So flexibility is massive, okay? It really is. But financial freedom and the independence to actually control your destiny, to have independence in what you do, but to have the freedom to do this, how you decide to build this is massive. Financial freedom is big. Point number 3, job satisfaction is high. I'm not saying it's not an industry of a lots of no's. You're going to get told no a lot. But let me tell you, when you protect sweet people, sweet prospects, the satisfaction that it will give you knowing that you can rest at night, knowing that you guarded them and you did them right, there's nothing better. Even after a hard day, when you know you did sweet people right, it's a satisfying experience. There is no better satisfaction than, first off, okay, fixing their problems with your product, but more importantly, when that day comes to be there for them and to stand in the gap, it's phenomenally freeing. It's one of my favorite things to do. Okay, is to serve them at the point of need, because not a lot of agents do that. And to be a man or woman of integrity that does that, it sets you apart. It really does. So job satisfaction is big, but huge earning potential. There is no caps here. There is no, red line that you can't go past. You can propel yourself in ways that maybe your own limiter is holding you back from. You can do phenomenal things. Huge earning potential, but uncapped market. You'll never run out of people. You'll never run out of people to talk to. You'll never run out of prospects that need what you can provide to them. You're in a recession-proof industry. I've gone through the ups and the downs of many, many presidents, many recessions, okay? I've gone through stock market crashes. I've seen it, been there, done that. And let me tell you, the business in this industry, the final expense insurance industry, the annuity industry, okay, the Medicare insurance industry is just more explosive. Nothing stopped. It got better when things got worse. It got better when things were great. It didn't even matter. As you skill up and build up in this career, you will love what you do even more. But the first year is going to look like a lot of hard work. Okay, if you want all these things, it's going to take hard work. If you want it, you got to work for it. There's no secret sauce where you just sit back and go, you know what? I want full-time success, but I'm only going to put in part-time effort. You've got to put in full-time effort, full court press, if you want to be successful as a career agent. Don't look at this industry as a job. If you want just a job, then go work for somebody that you've got to ask them for permission to take a bathroom break or to take a lunch break that's beyond an hour, okay? If you want just a job, I would suggest that you go be W-2. Go work for somebody else that's going to take the cream, okay, and take the butter when you're doing all the churning. Go do that, because if you look at this industry like a career, this is my career. I'm going to control it. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to make some great things happen. You got to look at it as, you know what? I'm going to work for it because I want it. And you will find more wealth as a result, I hope. It'll give you the flexibility that you desire, the financial freedom. You will attain it if you work for it. If you want it, then you got to work like you want it. You got to put in that full court press, but give yourself, okay, the experience that maybe you're not getting right now. Give yourself freedom from the ball and chain that maybe your employer has bound you with if you're a W-2, okay? Get yourself free. If you work for some agency that is maybe in a place that they're, holding you back, they won't let you sell other products, okay? And you can do better for your clients. Get yourself free. Break free and burst forth to give yourself the best handshake that you can get. Make sure you partner right. If you're going to do telesales, for sure vet your trainer. Definitely vet your agency. Don't get shined on, okay, to get a bunch of stuff that you don't need. Okay, a lot of places will. They'll explode your email inboxes with stuff that's really good for them, not great for you. But make sure you got a good mentor. Make sure you've got a good method. Make sure you've got a good mindset so that you can attain greatness. And you will find yourself more successful, I hope, with this advice as a result. If you need help, reach out, jasonfinalexpense.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.